Hello, my baby loves. Hey, y'all. Hey, I am Deborah, and I'm not sure who needs to be reminded of this, but God is giving you your voice back. You have a story to tell because you have been through so much. You have endured so much, and it's time for you to start sharing your testimonies with the world. I can remember when I was a little girl, and some of my family members and people who came around always told me, "You need to shut up. You need to just be quiet. Ain't nobody trying to hear nothing that you got to say. You sound like a little rat. Your voice is so squeaky." They silenced me back then. But God gave me my voice, and He is not a respecter of persons. So I'm here to tell you that God is giving you your voice back. Happy Saturday. God loves you so much, and so do I.